Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler from Alaska, and I've been working on online and an entrepreneur since my kids were young, and I have 7 grandkids right now, so I really enjoy the entrepreneur lifestyle, and I want to talk to you about the Impact Mailing Club, about how this is the easiest business and duplicatable business you could ever do because you know exactly what to do. It's simple, it's duplicatable, and it works, and it's never going anywhere. And I wanted to give you some information on it and let you know how incredible this is. You stuff the envelopes, you mail them out, you have labels, you get labels and stamps, so you can do it easily. It doesn't cost you a fortune for stamps because every time you get a payment, you get stamps with it, which is cool. So we have an exact formula with our team that shows you exactly what to do and team bonuses and all those things coming out. I'm so excited for this and to help you because the team bonuses and everything we put together gives you exactly what you need for success in the Impact Mailing Club. So stay tuned for more videos and connect with me, subscribe to my channel, and let's do this. Thanks.